Every manufacturer is different. Some make the big parts that help the world get from point A to point B, while others make the little things we just can't live without. The challenges that growing manufacturers face may look the same, but the way manufacturers tackle these challenges can be very different. Industry-specific challenges, like accurately tracking and costing manufactured goods, increasing visibility from the shop floor, and getting real-time data for informed decision-making are just a few of the issues on the minds of manufacturers. With all of this going on, how in the world do manufacturers grow their businesses and continue to make quality products that we all use and need in our daily lives? These manufacturers run their businesses on OptiProERP. OptiProERP is an end-to-end, industry-specific ERP solution built on the world-class SAP platform. With innovative manufacturing-specific solutions built on a trusted platform, OptiProERP gives you a better foundation for growth without the complexity and cost that some of those other ERPs come with. With features like financial accounting, supply chain management, material resource planning, advanced planning and scheduling, primary and alternate bills of materials and routings, shop floor execution, warehouse management, quality control. OptiProERP is a 100% manufacturing-focused solution. Your business has changed. Isn't it time your processes and operations did too? OptiProERP is sized right for right now and ready for your future.